The youth of India is useless, that is useless. Starting with, fishes are excellent at swimming, but what if they are made to fly? Birds are excellent at flying, but what if they are made to swim? This is what is exactly done with the present youth. You must encourage them and let them go for it. You will surely find the change. Good for nothing, lazy, useless. Do we need to say more? This is how Indians rate their own youth, the young generation of India. Though it has shown its capability to the whole world, yet has been underestimated by India. Yes, of course, it has been justified to an extent. But can we blame the youths for this? The reply of the children was a big no. They clearly pointed out the fact that the Indian youths are not useless, but they are useless. The solution they gave to this was that every youth must be provided with a proper platform to prove themselves. The students thought that it is high time now they grant everyone an equal opportunity rather than labeling them as useless. You might know, India is rich in terms of money, material and lot more, but yet is not a developed one. The reason behind this is that there is no much importance given to the manpower, neither have we provided the youth with proper job facilities, employment, etc. so as to at least make them as an asset for the country. Well, who exactly has the right to question the youth? Is it you? Is it the people who have made the system? Is it the politicians, the bureaucrats, the so-called leaders? I don't think so. My question to them is, what have they exactly done for the youth so that they can question its existence? Also, I would like to mention about a sad fact in India that even today, the generation calculates the youth worth in terms of educational degrees. This means that only if you're good at studies, everyone likes you. Otherwise, you're termed as useless, which I think is totally unfair. Education is very important, but if you excel in other fields, it is just as good. Everybody cannot be a topper, right? Schools must not only focus on books and academics, but they must also focus on the development of the child. That's what helps you in life. Humans must learn to broaden up their minds, but not frown upon a fantastic and a talented person who's not just at academics. Well, all the Indian youths are full of energy. All you need to do is channelize them and show them the right flow of direction. That will help them in life. But does the society utilize this energy? I don't think so. Youth are the stars of the country. Let them shine in the night sky. Youths are the birds of the country. Let them fly in the open sky. Thank you.